Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel CyberSeek, and today we are going to get some tips related to cybersecurity, like from where exactly you can get cybersecurity news, something related to programming language that you should definitely learn even if you are in cybersecurity. And for that I'm going to talk about Python basics and which books actually you should refer, and one of the course from Udemy which I have recently taken, and something related to malware analysis. Like there are two file formats of where the malware analysis is done on non-PE and PE file format, and some related tips to get into threat intelligence and threat hunting. And as I'm giving many interviews recently, so from that I came across like what exactly you should prepare and how exactly you should proceed. So let's begin. Okay, so this is the first website, the Hacker News, where you can get many updated related news related to cybersecurity. As you can see, recently yesterday when I was in shift, I analyzed this particular one, which is in the wild, and this particular has also been there, so I also analyzed it. So this is a beautiful website that is going to provide you every time all the updated news, cybersecurity news. And along with that, there is one other website like Blipping Computer. This is really a very good one. It also provides you a competitive information with respect to the hacker news that we have recently came across, like this website. So it also, as you can see, it also provides you a weekly report update on ransomware and other malware stuffs as well. And this has been a part of like our daily process from where we get the maximum feeds along with from the Twitters. So you can see this. And for the Python basics, I would like to show you like how exactly you can start from beginners to the intermediate. For advanced courses, you can definitely go and get some paid courses, but as of now, for in order to learn some basics and some intermediate steps, you can definitely refer easily Google and try to get the free stuffs that are available on Google as much as you can. And recently I came across one Udemy course that is completely free and which I have taken, and it is one of the most beautiful course which has been enrolled by, as you can see, the number of hours is this much, the lecture is very less, but the number of total students, and along with that the rating of this particular course is, or it's extremely nice. We can see the description what exactly it covers. Like it's going to provide you basic things related to the variable functions, data types, loops, and about the classes and inheritance as well, and other things related to list, tuple, and dictionary. So here you can see the all the basics which are covered like this one, and it is definitely going to provide you a good knowledge of, and it's going to provide you a good insight into how exactly you should begin with Python, after which you can get some intermediate books and courses as well. Like one of the book, very a good book for cybersecurity and people who are doing pen testing, is Black Hat Python. And other things will be, you can see from here, like there are multiple books I would say, but the out of which you should start with something related to this one, like Python Crash Course is also a good book. And after that for advanced courses and other things you can refer to many other resources as well. But once you get clear with the basics and intermediate steps, you can look for some other courses related to, either it could be on Amazon, the books will be, or on any platform, learning platform like Udemy, Cybrary, from wherever you can get the Python advanced courses. Okay, after which we are going to understand about non-PE files and PE files format. Like non-portable executable file formats are something which is not a binary executable, means it is not an exe file. Other than that, like office files like Word file, PowerShell script, VBS file, JavaScript files, all of these things are, it comes under a non-binary executable file format. And the analysis is like one, yeah, I was searching for the analysis, how exactly we do, what are the steps to analyze some particular executable files or anything related to non-PE. So this is the result I came across, and I would like to show you one of the website that is going to provide you deep understanding, which is by Integer. Okay, and it provides you, like, here it is going to provide you analysis of malicious Microsoft Office files. Microsoft Office files contains a lot of files. So here we are going to see, okay, handling of the malicious files during the incident response, the types, what are the types that is mentioned usually for Microsoft Office files, whatever the extension is, it comes all under a particular file format like OLE. And there are some tools related to exe file analysis, which is OLE dump and OLE VBA for macros analysis. As you can see, the tools, I mean, there is some screenshot for the tools. Okay. You can also see, yeah, it is also talking about some RTF file formats. The analysis images are also mentioned. Office file macros, as I mentioned about these things. The tool which is utilized to analyze macros is OLE and OLE dump. How it can be detected, the process is mentioned, so you can get a good understanding of how exactly we should analyze something related to non-PE files. And after that, we have something related to PE file format, which is exactly a binaries window. I mean, it's a Windows executable, which is when converted, I mean, when we have to analyze it, it is called a binary format. It is called in binary executable, which has multiple DLLs, not only to be used by this particular application, but can be also used by some other applications as well. So one of the best book in order to understand about is Practical Malware Analysis. This book definitely covers a lot of things, but from here either you can download it for more understanding. You can get a free trial for the same book. Okay, I'm going to see what exactly we can get. Other things like Malware Research Handbook is there. Even if you don't want to learn, or you're not, I mean, you are not a good fan of learning from the handbook or any book, you can also refer to multiple videos on YouTube. YouTube has definitely become a great platform in order to get many things related to beginner friendly and intermediate level of analysis related to malware as well, using the PE file format. PE file format does contain PE headers and other analysis tools, so you can refer, so you can also refer YouTube as well. And yeah, you, if you type PE file format analysis, you will get definitely get many other things related to, like, from where you can exactly learn a good or can have a good understanding of PE file format. So that's all for today. Please like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe it and write the comments down if you want some more suggestions for the same thing. And one more tip related to threat, to get into threat intelligence and threat hunting, is please focus on the areas like for threat intelligence. Make use of OSINT tools for information gathering. Try to map the IOCs and TTPs with respect to Meta framework that I've already discussed in the previous videos. And along with that, you should also have some understanding in terms of network infrastructure, network security, and network forensic. Just get some good hands-on on one or two tools so that you can understand how the network infrastructure have all the devices to protect the organization. And along with that, you should have definitely have some understanding of phishing email analysis, the raw data which is present in, I mean, when we analyze the phishing emails, we have to look at the source view code, the HTML code, and some raw messages, so that we can also understand from which IP we have gathered all the information and what is the X originating point along with the body part of email. And along with that, you have to also analyze for threat hunting. You have to get some hands-on tools like a Splunk and something related to Yara rules and other things, so that you can get an understanding of log analysis as well. So that's all for today. Thank you for your time.